So today I want to show you my workspace. Here it is from a wider angle, so that's where I work. Right there you have my video recorder mount. So let's have a look from over here. First of all, here is my photo box where I make my pictures. My UV lamp, my airbrush, my pasta machine. I can't live without that one. Here I have a lot of different tools for when I work, and I love these small sticky notes. They're good for quite a lot of things. Here I have my favorite tools. They always lie here, so they're fast to grip. Just a little thing I like. A video I'm going to record someday. And here I have all my clays in different colors, opaque and white, and I have red colors and green colors and small bags for when I'm packing things to go. Also for packing my 1-144. I have some things lying here that I need to do, some done thing. My idea book, I love this one. I have a video on that one somewhere. I can link for that. You can see the link up in the corner here. Then I have my work surface. I have an extra light. I made this myself, of course. I always had too little light right here when I'm working. My soft pastels, some 1-104 things, some wood rods, my magnet glue jig. I have some things I'm working on right here, a few things I'm working on right here. A little girl, my 1-144 house, and here I have small things like feather and elastics and cutlery, plates and metal things and beads and so on. Just a lot of tiny things. Then I have the straw. This is from IKEA. I have put on some small things right here to have my idea lists. So in this one I have all my tiny beads and a few other things. I have all my tiny beads and cut up canes and stuff like that. Lots of cut up canes actually. Here I have more go-to cut up canes, like vegetables and fruit and chocolate and so on. They're all in these two containers. And here I have things for my lucky bags. I sell lucky bags, so I have things in here. This one I need to open on video. I'm just saving it for now. It's very old. Then I have my glue and my glue gun and stuff like that in this drawer. Here I have all my price tags and a few other things in there. Some stickers and whoops. Here I have some double-sided tape, some wire and piping bags. I got this on one of our visits for America where my mother lives. So that's here. Yes, my mom lives in America and I live in Denmark. That's just the way it is. So I have all my fabric paint, my different dessert topping masters. I have my paint for my air gun here, things for my air gun, and things for my for this one, I don't know what that's called, and different things for melting plastic, my tools, glue. I have all these in here. I forgot what that's called. The name is just gone. My pearl eggs, colors for my resin, work tools, lots of whatever. I just forgot every word today. Lots of these. I don't know where all my words are gone. My acrylic paint, and here I just have a few small things, washi tapes, and that one was knocked over. Then over here I have some cutting boards. I have my little trash can. I have this one that I forgot what's called. And this one I used both when I use this one and when I use my airbrush, so that's why it looks like this. Then I have all my molds in this one, all kind of different molds in these small drawers, and I make them all myself. I like to make my molds by myself, and here I have all the things that I have molds of, so I can always make a new mold. And my baking tray where I have this ceramic vat, and I love that because that makes so the things that I make don't have that flat side they normally get when you bake stuff. And here for things that's actually supposed to be all flat, my tiny camera. Here I have some plastic gloves for when I use my air gun, and I have all my cutter things in here, and I have quite a lot. So all my cutters, a few other tools, more cutters, some tools I use for making things stand when I bake it, other things for my favorite tool, a few molds that I use quite often, and all my small cutters, and these are for my extruder. And this is my favorite cutter set because there are so many cutters in there and they are all in different shapes, so I like that one. Then in my first drawer I have my putty, I have my resin, I have a few boxes and a few more boxes, and that is actually for resin. I have some sandpaper and all my stamping tools and stamps, and here is my face mask for when I'm doing stuff that is smelly. Then in this drawer I have, first of all, I have a color wheel. Then I have like tons and tons of clay, more clay. I have box with white clay in. I have some gold leaf. I have more soft pastels. That is only white soft pastels. I use quite a lot of those. More colors. This is some foam eggs. I have ideas for that. And a little more paint in here. And this one is my drawer for everything. Here's my resin molds, my special molds, some things for resin, my heat gun, tape, and state matches, and this is some wood slices, or what you call that, and some more containers. And yeah, that's what I got right here. And next to my table over here I have a few different drawers with things in, like power lines and jewelries and so on over here. And that's almost it. I have a little more in a drawer over there in the top drawer right there. I have a little more, and there you see my dollhouse as well. But this is my creative corner, and I really love this place. I have a nice space right here, and my table can be pushed up and down, so it's in the height I like. And then I have my big girl over here. For those who follow me on that channel, that's where I record my stop motion with her. Anyway, that was what I wanted to show you today. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, then please leave them in the comment below, and I will get to answer you. I like to answer every comment I get, So thank you for watching and happy crafting!